Today on CommTech Engineer, I will cover how to fix an issue with driver installation on Windows 7 Dell Optiplex machines. The specific Optiplex I am working with is a model 9010. So what I have done here is go to the Dell website and download all the recent drivers for my Dell Optiplex. And all I have to do is double-click and run them, correct? Well, that's not correct. You see, if you try to run this application, you will get a big fat error that says this. The procedure entry point AddDllDirectory could not be located in the dynamic link library kernel.dll. So after painstakingly scouring the Dell support website, I have finally found the solution, and I will put a link to the website in the description. By default, the Dell website only shows you the Dell update package files, which do not work. So what you need to do is download the zip pack external file format drivers and not the standard Dell update package files. To find these zip pack external files, you will need to select the specific driver you are looking for and select other formats, or in some cases older versions. It is a pain, but as far as I know this is the only solution. And that brings up a drawback. You likely will not get the most up-to-date drivers using this method, as the most up-to-date drivers are the Dell update package files, which of course don't work. And just to prove that this works, I will show you what installing the drivers is supposed to look like. I am not going to actually install this because I have already done so, but all you need to do is simply follow the prompts and you will be good to go. This Windows 7 machine is a new project I am working on here. The current plan is to make it a 100% offline and slightly old-school gaming machine. I have installed a few games already, as you can see from my desktop. This of course is bringing up some challenges, which is the reason for this video, but if any other issues arise, I will make future videos, with solutions on how to fix them. So that's about it. Thank you for watching.